Amazing. A video shows locals trying to rescue a tractor stuck in a ditch with a rope. Their attempt was only half successful.
Road turned into a circus. Every car passing by pulled over, phones out, filming whatever madness was unfolding. That's how you know it's worth watching. Farmer with an IH-806 stuck deep in mud, so he throws boards under the rear wheels. Simple, smart, effective. Old school traction fix that still works better than most fancy tech.
Rocket.
We de bal met Sturbo's. En we gaan het helemaal beleven.
Looks like two diesel engines welded together, probably why it split in half. Engineering ambition meets structural reality. Size doesn't win, skill and torque do. Why drive into that swamp? Because that water hole needs to drain in 4 weeks, and the clay underneath isn't going to crack itself. That pit's seen more tractors than a dealership, John Deere's, everything else, all sacrificed to the mud gods. It's a horsepower graveyard down there. Case Magnum, 8,940 inches, the mud, and suddenly digging looks like art. Blades spinning, dirt flying everywhere. It's messy, it's chaotic, and somehow it's beautiful. This isn't farm work anymore, it's a performance. car versus tractor in a pulling showdown. One's got speed, the other's got torque. Place your bets in the comments, because somebody's about to get embarrassed, and it's going to be glorious. Classic mistake. Spinning wheels fast in deep mud thinking four-wheel drive is magic. It's not. You're just digging deeper holes faster. Adjust for terrain, or enjoy being stuck. Fiat versus Major, both packing 60 horsepower in a tug-of-war showdown. When pulling heights equal, the heavier machine wins every time. Physics doesn't play favorites. Two tractors, a crew of men, and one stubborn tree stump that refuses to let go of the earth. The trunk's already cut, but the roots? They're holding on like they've got unfinished business. Nature wins again, even in defeat. VW Polo turned tractor monster at VW Doubts. Monster tires, roaring exhaust, and pure backyard insanity. Not practical, not safe, but absolutely wild. K700 decided to go swimming and stayed a little too long. Now it needs a crane just to get back on dry land. One expensive dip, one unforgettable mistake. That's how you make the highlight reel. These aren't tractors, they're monsters. Every frame hits harder than the last. Blink once and you'll miss horsepower at its peak. Don't scroll. This is legend in motion.